Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My desk area constantly needs reorganizing and I have endless amounts of things on my schedule. That's why I am really in love with this awesome corkboard setup from DECORITA. This is a completely customizable set of felt fabric tiles. There's 12 in the box and they are about 12 by 12 each. They're super cool because they have vertical lines on them. So you could organize these so that it really makes it your own style. You could put it horizontally, you could put it vertically, and you can even rearrange it so it gives it a totally different look. What I really love about this is normally when you get a cork board, it's just put it up in one space, it has to stay there. But honestly, because of my space, I was able to use some of these in my desk area and even a few in my daughter's room so that she can add some reminders and photos on her very own cork board. So you can completely customize this into one giant space, or you can make it into a smaller space for yourself. Now, the tiles themselves are made of that felt fabric. They're super durable feeling and they come with little stickers that are two-sided so you can put these right onto your wall. If you make a mistake, you can remove it, you can reuse a sticker or get a new one, and you can really put these tiles wherever you would like. The felt fabric is nice and thick and durable, and when you put the thumbtacks in it, they do not push into the wall. Rather, they just hold up what you have right there in your spots. I love that I can keep myself a little more organized with these. They're not only super functional, but I really love how beautiful they are too. The vibrant cream color is perfect for any space. And it's perfect for keeping myself nice and organized. But that's just my point of view.